Today we'll show you how to install the Tekonsha Primus IQ trailer brake controller, part number 90160. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all the parts included in the instructions. For this installation, we'll be using the following tools. Start by first determining the mounting location and which mounting bracket you want to use to mount your brake controller. You can use the traditional bracket mount or the dash mounting clip. As you make your decision, keep in mind that the brake controller should be mounted in the direction of travel and horizontally level side to side. Once you've made your decision, securely mount your chosen bracket or mounting clip. Drilling pilot holes may make this easier. Then, if you are using a traditional bracket mount, insert the supplied number 6 by 3/8 screws to secure it to the vehicle's dashboard. Then insert the remaining screws on each side of the bracket into the mounting holes to secure the brake controller. Adjust your Primus IQ's mounting angle to the desired position and tighten until snug. If you are using the dash mounting clip, remember to have the front legs facing toward the driver's seat and the rear tabs towards the front of the vehicle. After securely mounting the dash clip, the Primus IQ can be attached. Slide the brake controller into the dash clip so that the rear slots in the brake controller engage with the rear tabs of the clip. Then gently push up on the front of the controller until it snaps into place. The final mounting position of the front legs should be in the same adjustment slot on each side of the controller. Next, we will connect the brake controller to the vehicle's wiring. Provided with the Primus IQ is a universal brake controller wiring harness, which can be used to wire your brake controller into any vehicle's braking system. To do this, follow the universal wire harness installation instructions provided with your brake controller. Tekonsha also offers custom brake control wiring harnesses that make it easier to connect your brake controller to your vehicle. Its plug-and-play design allows you to simply plug one end of the connector into the brake controller and the other into the vehicle's electrical brake controller harness connector. For this installation, we will be using a custom brake controller wiring harness to connect the Primus IQ. It is recommended that you set up and test the functions of the brake controller with a trailer before towing. That concludes the installation for a Tekonsha Primus IQ trailer brake controller, part number 90160. For more information on this and other great Tekonsha products, visit tekonsha.com.